can talk to you about it from the balance point of view. Pramukh Swami Maharaj, who created this organization to this level. And I tell you, it's easy to run a corporate, difficult to run an NGO of this class. Because in your corporate work structure, you have pay and smile relationship between the employer and the employee. The employee likes the pay of the employer, so there is a smile on his face. And the employer likes the work of the employee, so there is a smile on his face. It's called pay and smile relationship. Here in NGO, we have serve and smile relationship. You have to serve selflessly, lifetime, and keep a smile on your face and smile in your life. Difficult to run an NGO of this level than a corporate. Pramukh Swami Maharaj was successful in running this NGO to this level. And the amount of hard work that he put, he traveled to 18,000 villages in 60 countries in his lifetime. We have seen him at the age of 70, 75 and 80, at 12 midnight, traveling to deep Adivasi hutments, bettering the life of people. People used to write to him for their personal or family issues. He read and answered more than 7.5 lakh letters in his lifetime. At an unbelievable average of reading and answering 70 letters a day for 45 years without a Sunday. एक व्यक्ति कितनी हद तक काम कर सकता है, मैं आपको अंदाज देता हूं. 8 घंटे आप काम करें ऑफिस में और शाम को माय गॉड टू मच टायर्ड, ये कभी मत बोलना. He met more than 2 million people personally, conversed with them. He personally visited, as we have come to your occasion today, 3.5 lakh in his lifetime. He was a one-man organization, one-man army. Why I narrated this to you? That because he had the balance of work and spirituality in life, he was always at peace with himself and peace in the surrounding. Balance of materialism and spirituality. When he was asked which thought remains with you 24/7, he said, the thought that has never entered my mind, shall I tell it first? And that was more interesting. And he said, the thought of hurting anybody physically, mentally or emotionally has never entered my mind. किसी का अहित हो मेरे जीवन में कभी वो विचार नहीं आया. This is spirituality. आप तो जानने की कोशिश करते हो कि मेरे जो कॉम्पिटिटर है उसके पास क्लाइंट्स कितने हैं, कौन कौन क्लाइंट्स उसके पास जाते हैं, और वो जो क्लाइंट है उसके पास तो पहुंचने के लिए मेरे पास एक मिडल मैन है. आई कैन टेल हिम दैट यू कैन कम टू मी, नॉट टू हिम. थोड़ी अंतर्दृष्टि करना. उसके हिसाब से, उसके नसीब से, उसकी पढ़ाई से, उसके काम से वो कुछ कमा रहा है. ही इज लिविंग हिज लाइफ. By your education, your know-how, your experience, your dignity, you work and you earn. Simple. One thought of spirituality can balance your life. There are hundreds of such thoughts which can balance your life well. So CA is not just a chartered accountant, he is a careful analyst of life, CA. So for balance of life, to make a good balance sheet of life at the end of your life, I take seminars with professionals and I teach them a system that I have devised out of my reading and experiences and traveling all the world and meeting professionals. Every second day I'm talking to professionals at some or the other place. I've devised a theory that 8 plus 8 plus 8 is the system for balance sheet in life. Of the 24 hours that you have in your life every day, it should be well distributed into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system. आपको प्रवचन में और कोई बातें याद ना रहे तो ये एक बात घर लेके जाना. 8 plus 8 plus 8. First 8 hours of the day, your honest, ethical hard work in your profession. First 8 hours of the day is your honest, ethical hard work in your profession. Second 8 hours is a good sleep or rest. Third 8 hours are very important. If you're not able to manage the third 8 hours of the day, you may lose your life. And if you can well manage the third 8 hours of the day, you can well win your life. The third 8 hours of the day, we teach, it is 3F, 3H, and 3S. 3F is family, friends, and faith. 3H is health, hygiene, and hobby. And 3S is your soul, service, and smile. These 9 departments should consume the third 8 hours of the day. Of course, in fragments. If you can well distribute your day into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system, it is a good balance sheet of life. A good balance sheet of day and thus your life. Again, I repeat, the third 8 hours are 3F, 3H, and 3S. 3F is family, friends, and faith. 3H is health, hygiene, hobby. 3S is soul, service, and smile. Into these 9 departments, you distribute your third 8 hours of time, and it is a balanced life, well lived. So you don't have complaints from any quarters of life, from any people in your life, because you have lived a balanced life. You have given even enough time apart from your profession to your family, to your friends, to your faith, to your health, to your hygiene, to your hobby, to your services, any NGO or any good cause of the society that you are involved with. So well distribution of time, well balance of time, that can give you a good balance sheet of life. वरना कंपनीज या प्रोफेशनल्स की जो आप बैलेंस शीट बनाते हो पैसे की, अपनी लाइफ की बनानी बहुत जरूरी है. अदरवाइज यू विल रिपेंट एट द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ. मुगल सम्राट औरंगजेब बोले सारी जिंदगानी फिजूल गई. नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट बोले आई हैवंट सीन 6 हैप्पी डेज इन माय लाइफ. तो ये बारी आपकी न आए एट द एज ऑफ 70 और 80, इसके लिए ये बात और विचार है. And I sometimes jokingly say that the amount of money that is in your bank account when you die is the extra work you did, you shouldn't have done. आपको जरूरत नहीं थी, क्योंकि आपके मरने के बाद वो पैसे कहां जाएंगे, कैसे जाएंगे, किस तरह से यूज होगा, वो आपको तो पता है नहीं. So now in America, Millionaires and Billionaires Club has started. The basic criteria for membership in this club is that you have to pledge and donate 80% of all your wealth. Only then you become the member of this club. और उसमें thousands of people हैं. Because the power of money is in giving, not accumulating. To understand this basics of spirituality gives you a balance sheet of life. Balance sheet of your life, अगर आपने अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस की तो एक दिन बिगड़ सकती है. अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस करके आपने किसी की बैलेंस शीट तो सुधार दी, लेकिन आपके जीवन की बैलेंस शीट बिगड़ जाएगी. बिकॉज यू हैव चीटेड विथ योर कॉन्साइंस. चीटेड विद द एक्सचेकर वो तो बात की बात है. You have cheated your own conscience because with your own hands and own mind you have done something wrong. An unethical practice will land you nowhere. आपकी बैलेंस शीट बिगड़ जाएगी. Remember, no pillow is as soft as a clear conscience. आप रात को सोते वक्त सबसे अच्छा पिलो कौन सा है आपके लिए? A clear conscience that I have not done anything wrong today. And if you do something wrong, you are into the animal phylum, not the human phylum. And unethical practices की तो आपकी बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ जरूर बिगड़ सकती है. Even if the name of your company is Satyam and you go for asatya practices, you can be in jail for 7 years. A man of 8,000 crores. Let's step up. Even if you are the Sahara of thousands of families by creating homes for them, you can still lie Be-Sahara in Tihar for 4 years. Hayana, a man of 20,000 crores. Even if you are the king of the skies, you have to leave India without an Indian passport, on a diplomatic passport. आएंगे जनाब थोड़े दिन में वापस भारत में. एक्स्ट्राडिशन की बात चल रही है, लंदन कोर्ट ने ऑलमोस्ट डिसीजन दे दिया है, एंड व्हेन he'll come here and open his mouth, lot many people can be in trouble. Yes or no? So even if you are Raju or Raja or king or anybody, unethical practices can land you in jail. Unethical practices can ruin your career and your life. And the stress that comes in because of unethical practices, when you are caught, your balance sheet of life is spoiled permanently. You will lose your career, you will lose your practice, you will lose your life, you will lose your family. So थोड़ा प्रॉफिट मिले उससे आनंद में रहना, लेकिन एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस कभी छोड़ना मत. That is your lifeline. Even if you are, after becoming an electrical engineer, for example, in your 30 years of practice with the Maharashtra Electricity Board, you don't have the right to put your finger inside the plug. आप प्लग के सामने बैठ के अपनी उंगली दिखाओगे कि आई एम द चेयरमैन ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, 35 years of distribution of electricity under my belt, and I am the absolute power authority, this is my finger. ये कह के भी आप प्लग में अंदर उंगली डालोगे? Electricity doesn't know your post, position and power. It only knows human flesh and blood. चिपका देगी, मर जाओगे. उसी तरह एथिकल अनएथिकल जो प्रैक्टिसेस हैं वो आपकी पोस्ट पोजीशन पावर को नहीं पहचानती. आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट प्रैक्टिसिंग इन मुंबई सिंस 40 years. Whoever you are, unethical practices is like electricity. It doesn't know your post position and power. चिपका देगी, मर जाओगे. Am I right or wrong? I'm asking the elders. Absolutely right. They have years of experience sitting in the front and leading from the front. And you all have experiences of this kind. आपने बातें सुनी भी होगी, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है. तो हमेशा एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस के लिए जाना, तो बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ अच्छी मेंटेन रहेगी, वहां बिगड़ जाएगी. दिल्ली अक्षरधाम में तो रोज हमारे 17,000 लोग आते हैं पिछले 13 साल से. जनरल विजिटर्स बुक में सब लिख सकते हैं. एक व्यक्ति ने लिखा था कि मैं हरियाणा के एक छोटे से गांव में से आता हूं. मेरा काम यह है कि मैं रोज सुबह साइकिल में 2 दूध के कैन लेके घर घर जाके दूध बांटता हूं. हमारे गांव में 80-100 घर है, छोटा सा गांव, स्मॉल हैमलेट इन रूरल पार्ट ऑफ हरियाणा. लेकिन यह अक्षरधाम आया. दिल्ली तो मैं सिर्फ 2 दफा आया हूं जीवन में, 50 साल की उम्र में. एक बार जो हमारे गांव में कोई बड़े घर में शादी थी तो बारात में आया था, और दूसरी दफा सबने बोला चलो अक्षरधाम देखने के लिए चलते हैं, तो अभी आया. यहां अक्षरधाम देखा, प्रदर्शनी सब देखी, इतनी प्रेरणाएं मिली कि आज से मैं प्रतिज्ञा लेता हूं कि मैं अपने दूध में पानी नहीं डालूंगा. एथिकल प्रैक्टिस. मुझे सिर्फ इतना कहना है कि एक दूध वाले को भी एथिकल प्रैक्टिस की प्रेरणा मिलती है, तो हम सब तो पढ़े लिखे हैं. हम सब तो पढ़े लिखे हैं, तो हमको तो एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस की प्रेरणा मिलनी ही चाहिए. हम कर रहे हैं, ज्यादातर कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी अनएथिकल विचार अगर आ गया तो रोक देना उसको. मनुष्य है, मन है, कभी आ जाता है, बड़ा लाभ दिखता है. किसी की बैलेंस शीट एडजस्ट करने के बाद जो कैश मिलता है ना, उसमें बहुत बड़ी बात दिखती है. तो कभी अगर मन लालायत हो गया तो रोक देना, क्योंकि वो मार्ग बहुत खतरनाक है, डेंजरस है, आपको चौपट कर सकता है. So go for ethical practices always. The slow growth because of ethical practices, but it is a strong growth. And nothing is bigger in a professional career than credit. Yes or no? आपकी इज्जत से कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. And remember one thing, everything lost, but credit remaining with you, everything can be regained. And everything with you and credit lost, everything is lost. Yes or no? So balance sheet of life के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Ethics in your profession, ethical practices हमेशा करना. अब बैलेंस शीट के लाइफ ये भी जरूरी है कि you manage your 8+8+8 system. कोक के वर्ल्ड सीईओ थे ब्रायन डाइसन. उनकी एक 30 सेकंड की स्पीच है. अगर ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को एक विनंती है कि अगर अनुकूल हो तो YouTube पे से डाउनलोड करके आप कोई भी सेशन में दिखाना। यहां 30 सेकेंड्स हैं सिर्फ। एक बी स्कूल के कॉन्वोकेशन में वे बोले थे, on a top corporate position, world CEO of Coca-Cola, Brian Dyson, after his 40 years of experience in the corporate world, he was sharing his experiences, but he just made a 30-second speech. बहुत अच्छी बात उन्होंने कही उस स्पीच में। मैं थोड़ी एलाबोरेट करके आपको वो बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ कैसी है वो बताते हैं। वे उन्होंने बोला कि my 40 years of experience in the corporate field has taught me one thing, and that is get to work on time, work very effectively during your working hours, and get back to your family on time. This is balance sheet of life. Get back to your family on time. ये पहली बात उन्होंने बताई कि मेरे 40 साल का अनुभव मुझे ये सिखाया। Then he said, in life you are actually juggling with 5 balls. हमने सर्कस में जोकर को देखा ना, इज juggling with more than 2, 3, 5 balls. In life you are juggling with 5 balls in hand. The first ball is the ball of work. Second is the ball of family. Third is the ball of health. Fourth is the ball of friends. And fifth is the ball of spirit. You are dealing with these 5 balls in life. Then the third point he said, that after many years of juggling with these 5 balls, you will come to know that the first ball, that is ball of work, is made up of rubber, and the rest 4 balls, that is health, family, spirit, and friends, is made up of glass. The fourth thing he said, that the ball of work is made up of rubber. If you lose it and falls on the ground, it will bounce back because it is made up of rubber. That is, work opportunities will keep on coming. As the chairman of Virgin Atlantic, he says that work is like bus stand, a bus comes every 3 minutes. But Brian Dyson says the other 4 balls of your life, family, friends, health, and spirit, are made up of glass. If you lose them, they fall on the floor, it will break. If not break, crack. If not crack, it will D-shape. But it will not be the same again. It will not be the same again. So, take care of your work, take care of your family, take care of your health, take care of your friends. Live a balanced life. Money is not everything in life. Not even your professional career is everything in your life. Live as a human being. Don't live as a professional. Just work as a professional, but live as a human being. That is the balance of life. क्योंकि एक गिनती मैं आपको कराऊं, आप ताज्जुब रह जाएंगे। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स को कोई गिनती करानी हो तो हमें भी बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है। I'll give you some calculation time. We sleep for 8 hours a day. आप बोलते हैं कि मैं 6 घंटा सोता हूं, तो जब बचपन में छोटे थे तब 10 घंटा सोते थे, जब बड़े होंगे, वृद्ध होंगे, तभी 10 घंटा सोएंगे. The average will come down of the whole life as 8 hours a day. So of the 24 hours you sleep for 8 hours a day, that means 1/3 of the day you are sleeping. Yes or no? 24 divided by 3 is 8. Rather, divided by 8 is 3. So 1/3 of the day you sleep. That is directly proportional that 1/3 of the life you will sleep. Yes? Balance sheet में मिलता है ना? That means if you live for 70 years upon this earth, 1/3 of your life, 23 years of your life is going to be in bed sleeping. You don't know whether you exist or not. 23 years of your life out of 70 years is going to be in sleep. You don't know whether you exist or not. You just have a 90-second brush and more than 100 days of your life goes in brushing your teeth. Now I am not giving you the calculation of the time you spend in front of the mirror. आगे से आप अपने आप को देखते हो, पीछे से देखते हो, इस तरफ से देखते हो, अब कुछ फर्क नहीं होने वाला है. Actual time with you is very less. Very less. If you are not conscious about living a balanced life, you can be a big loser in life. Warren Buffett, the richest investor upon this earth, with an investment of more than $100 billion. On his 50th
Surely, thank you for full watch video, and deeply understand and grow your life.
marriage anniversary, the couple was sitting on the dining